Jefferson transformer used in a Butler's notification system is a step-down transformer designed to provide different voltage levels for the annunciator bells. Terminal 1 is neutral or common. Terminal 2 is 6 volts. Terminal 3 is 14 volts. Replacement transformers for Jefferson transformers or similar Butler's notification systems can be difficult to find. Firstly, vintage electrical supply stores might have used or new old stock transformers available. Secondly, online marketplaces like eBay or Etsy might have a seller with what you need. Search for Jefferson transformer or Butler's notification transformer. Thirdly, you can contact a custom transformer manufacturer to request a custom-made transformer based on the original specifications. Multiple wires are connected to terminal 1, likely the neutral wires for all the bells in the system. A single wire connects to terminal 2 going to the bell that requires 6 volts. A single wire connects to terminal 3 going to the bell that requires 14 volts. When replacing the transformer, safety is first. Shut off the power supply before starting any electrical work. Match voltage. Ensure the replacement transformer has a primary voltage of 110 volts and secondary voltages of 6 volts, 14 volts, and 20 volts. Connect wires correctly. Identify the neutral 6 volt and 14 volt terminals on the new transformer and connect the wires accordingly. Once the transformer is installed, turn on the power and test the annunciator bells to ensure they are working correctly.